one of our clients. So Sandeep, could you share?
Yeah, absolutely. So our client is an AEC firm, which is architecture, construction, and engineering firm. Idea was that they wanted to predict the soil type as well as density of that particular soil type at the construction location. Why that is needed? Because depending upon the soil type, they need to estimate the construction cost. And generally what happens, this process is quite manual as of now. So we have to take boring logs everywhere within that construction site and then manually analyze the data to predict the construction cost. What we did, we put the AI model together, which is going to take the existing boring logs and then combine that with the other data sources like publicly available data source from the government website or even landmark information. And then we try to predict the soil type and density at that construction site. The main challenge with this customer was the type of data, the variety of the data we are having for this AI model. At the same time, the scale of the data or volume of the data. What we did is that we use the Snowflake data services to store all these different data sources at one location, so that AI model can take all the data from the single source. And then what we try to do is that we use the scale up and scale down feature from the Snowflake, because many times what happens is that whenever the AI model is going to run, it is going to utilize a lot of resources. So that time when we bump up the capacity, we run our AI model and then we scale down that capacity again. We use Snowflake for running the AI model as well as the data platform which is needed for the AI model.